I'm going to show you how to connect to desktop mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 smartphone directly to a Hisense TV. This is the Hisense TV that has Google TV using a cable here. So really quickly, we're already connected here. You want to bring up the touchpad on the phone, bottom left hand side, that little rectangle. Tap on that and you have your mouse pad or touchpad, trackpad here. You can see the mouse. Let's click on the settings. If you want to scroll up or down, you got to use two fingers. So we can go down and up like that. Let me go ahead and close this window. If you wanted to minimize the touchpad here, just double tap the X. Boom, boom. And you're back to your phone here. Okay. So the cable that you need is this right here. Okay. It's going to be an HDMI to USB-C. Also, in regards to the connection has nothing to do with the Wi-Fi. It's a direct connection using the cable. So you don't need the TV and the phone to connect to Wi-Fi. You don't have to have Wi-Fi at all. So anyway, HDMI goes in the back of the TV and USB-C goes into the phone just like this, okay? So as soon as you plug it in, it should show up right away unless you are not on the correct HDMI port. If nothing pops up, then simply just change your HDMI port, okay? You can go through the settings, click on the home button, go through the settings to change it. Or if on this remote here I have input. If you have an input or source, you can just tap on that and you can change it to the correct HDMI. Like I know my phone's connected and I see the it's highlighted HDMI 2, so I know it's on HDMI 2. So I'd select HDMI 2 and then it would pop up here. And then if you want to disconnect, you just pull the plug. Pretty simple.